drive over. You guys have fun? You guys like it? Yay, Amy! You're riding a police motorcycle. Evan is riding a boat. Yay, there's no more. It stopped. Okay. You ready, buddy? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Daddy's gonna put in a coin. Right, you're too far away. Daddy's gonna do it for you, okay? Here you go. You ready? Ready? Here you go.
Oh, I didn't know you'd done bear hunting. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. I'm an avid bear hunter. Have you caught any bears there, girl? Not the greatest conversion rate, but I'm 1 for 27.
Go!
That's pretty bad, right?
There you go.
But you got the one, though.
There you go, Evan. Good job.
Awesome.
Put your feet to it. Okay, try it. Go, go, go. Try it. Oh no, the other one's loose. Okay, come on. You can do it. You can do it, buddy. Do it. Don't worry about the feet. Just keep doing it. Yeah, there you go. Just keep trying, buddy. Just keep doing it. There you go.
Listen, most of these bears, they're just looking for a good hug. Yeah, that's why they're so scary and evil. They just need a hug. Yeah, and this is like the winter away. Got a ton of weight beforehand. All the fluctuation, it can't be good.
Good job. Great ways. You came very close. Good job.
The popcorn.
That was good, Evan. Okay. All right, that's it. High five. Yay. Good job. Yay. You're doing it, Amy. You're doing it. You're riding the horse. You keep doing it. Keep doing it, honey. Yeah, keep pushing, keep pushing. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Yeah. Yeah, keep pushing, honey.
That's right. It's a time for another joke from Pasquale. Yeah, that's it. Okay, here we go. What? Bacon, savory, tomato. Let us get together. Okay, here's another one.
You like it? You like it? This is a police light, yeah. This is a police I think four-wheel motorcycle. You like it? There's flashing lights in the front too.
What kind of key is needed to open
On the side. Whoa, you see the flashing headlights? The flashing headlights. Hi, Amy. More money, please. Okay. Alright, here go one. And then one here. Amy sure likes driving.
Look out, you can sometimes see bird in an airplane suit. Look out, you can sometimes see bird in an airplane suit. You may think it's just a plane, but unleashing trucks.
Whoa, look! The ferry wall. Get ready. 3, get ready. Get set. Go! Go, Amy, go! You are this one. You are this one, Amy. You are this one. Uh-oh. Gotta hit the gas. Gotta hit the gas. Daddy, help you hit the gas. You do it? Okay. Wow, good job, Amy. Gotta press down the gas, okay? Good job. Press down the gas, look where you're going. Good job. Hey, Amy, watch where you're going. Come on, you have to pay attention. Pay attention. Oh no, here you go. Keep going, keep going. Go up the bridge, go up the bridge. The dinosaur bridge, yeah. Good job. Don't fall off. Don't fall off. Oh, time out. The end. Good job, Amy. Good job trying.